Chapter 11. Eating and Drinking the American Way. What do Americans eat? American fast food is sold in restaurants in almost every country of the world. The most famous examples are probably hamburgers, hot dogs, and chips, which are called French fries. A lot of Americans are fat, perhaps because they eat too much fast food. These days, many families in America do not sit down to eat dinner together, but eat alone every few hours all through the day. Sweet foods like pies and ice cream are very popular too. The famous Ben & Jerry's ice cream started in Vermont in New England. But more and more people are interested in healthy eating, so they choose foods that are better for them, or they decide to stop eating meat. If you visit the USA, you will be able to enjoy an American breakfast. Eggs are cooked in a lot of different ways. Sunny side up means with the yellow on top. Over easy means with the yellow underneath, but still soft. With your breakfast, you can drink as much coffee as you want, all for the same price. In fact, you can drink coffee all day in the USA. It is, of course, the home of Starbucks, which, since the 1990s, has changed the way everybody drinks coffee. Now, all over the world, you can go to a coffee shop and choose from a very long menu of coffees. What else can you drink that is really American? Coca-Cola was first made in 1886 by an American called John Pemberton. Today, it is sold in 195 countries, and Coke is one of the best-known words in the world. You can also find excellent American wine from the West Coast, particularly California. But Americans are not allowed to buy alcohol until they are 21. In many states, you cannot smoke in places like bars, restaurants, and places of work. From 1920 to 1933, during Prohibition, it was against the law to drink alcohol at all in the USA. But many people still wanted to drink it. So criminals like Al Capone brought alcohol into the country and made a lot of money. In American restaurants, you can eat all kinds of tasty food from different countries. Chinese, Mexican, and Italian, for example. The immigrants who came to the USA brought their own favorite foods with them. These then changed into new styles of cooking that are special to the USA. For example, Tex-Mex, Texan Mexican food, is like Mexican, but uses more meat. Cajun food is spicy food from Louisiana, with unusual names like gumbo and jambalaya. Soul food is the food that black families like to cook in the South. It is usually meat or fish with green vegetables, sweet potatoes, and cornbread, perhaps with pie afterwards.